Kolter Homes. Homes that are built around you. The Vasari floor plan offers a variety of unique personalization options and luxe home features for family and guests. Now let's take a look at some of the latest trends in new home design. With the standard plan, there is a shower and tub in the owner's bath. For a more spa-like feel, you can reconfigure the space with a deluxe shower and an expansive walk-in closet. Another example, the Vasari floor plan includes a clubroom, which is a great space for everyone to gather and socialize. One way to take the clubroom to the next level is to add a wet bar. The clubroom can also be enclosed for use as a media room or home office. Speak with a new home guide to explore the many ways you can have this floor plan built around you. With Kolter Homes, the choices are yours.